How are you?
Tifa. I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Where are you from?
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Oh, so you are a Muslim?
Yeah.
Oh,
And you?
yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh and Alhamdulillah, I'm also Muslim.
You think Arabic?
No, I don't know Arabic. Do you know Bangladesh?
I think so. No, picture بس.
Oh, you don't know.
Picture look. Me not go Bangladesh.
Okay. Do you want to come in Bangladesh?
No.
Why?
Because not taking uh, Bangladesh.
Oh, but I want to come in Saudi Arab in future.
You come Saudi. You come Saudi. Me go Bangladesh.
Oh, after going Saudi Arab, me, then you will come Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay,
Inshallah.
okay, inshallah.
You Muslim.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslim.
Very good.
Yeah.
What?
Where do you live in Saudi Arab? Actually, I know many Saudi Arab places name like Jeddah and
In Medina, Mecca.
yeah, Medina, Makkah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. So that's why I'm asking, which city do you live in Saudi Arab?
Riyadh.